Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels, LED headlights, wheel covers, brake assist, Bluetooth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.